Hey, it's another great day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. Down here we have this lush, super green, vine-like shrub coming in. It's called a Vinca major, or a bigleaf periwinkle. A large periwinkle, greater periwinkle, even a blue periwinkle. These beautiful 5-lobe flowers. Comes from Western Mediterranean, North Africa, out to the Balkans, even Turkey. He's described as a trailing subshrub. He spreads around the ground like a vine, and the stems, they'll send out their own little roots down here, make a new plant, forms this clonal colony of the same plant here. They bunch up about 25 inches high, but it never twines or climbs up other plants, or trellises or structures. So it's pretty safe to have in your garden or your planter or little pot. And the leaves here, it's an evergreen. And they're broad, glossy, dark green. Got a leathery texture on them. And a smooth margin except for some tiny, tiny little hairs right on the edge. A little heart-shaped here. They're about 2 to 4 inches long. And they run in pairs up the stem, opposite. So you have a pair here, and an opposite pair here, all the way up to the pretty little flower stems that come out on these leaf axils. That's pretty cool. And the flowers here blooms from early spring to midsummer, maybe a few more in the fall. And they're violet to purple in color, and some are a little darker, like this guy, and some are a little bit lighter. That's really cool. There's also another species called a Vinca minor, or lesser periwinkle. That guy's sometimes called a creeping myrtle. They look a lot alike, but the Vinca minor usually has smaller leaves and trails closer to the ground like a true vine. Easiest to tell them apart by looking at the leaves. The Vinca major will have little tiny hairs on the margin and a longer petiole. And the Vinca minor does not have any hairs and a shorter petiole. But overall, it's pretty hard to tell them apart. There's another plant sold as a Vinca at your local nursery. That guy's totally unrelated, called a Madagascar periwinkle, Catharanthus roseus. So make sure you read both the genus and the species names when you buy pony packs at your local nursery. So to grow this guy at home, well, he makes great spreading ground cover, but he tends to thin out in the fall and the winter, and he's easy to grow. Just pull up some roots here from the ground, your shovel and a little spade, replant them in a little pony pack or a starter or a pot, and they go great. And they're super dense, and they have a tendency to drown out weeds and other stuff you don't want to grow in your garden. So you get just a straight, plush Vinca major here. Now they get a little invasive too. If you want to remove it, the secret is you cut the stem right here, and then you spray a little glyphosate mixture in the stems, and that should kill the plant within 2 to 3 weeks. You also buy this in different cultivars, or hybrids. One's called a Argenteo variegata. The leaves are creamy, white margins. The Atro purpurea has burgundy purple flowers. Azaria floripleno has double blue flowers. A Bowles variety has violet blue flowers. Something called a Ralph Schugert, which is a combination of all the above. Well, there you go. This is our beautiful evergreen, leathery, super dark glossy leaves and great propeller lobes on this flower with all the little yellow part in the middle, stamen, anther, pollen, stigma, ovaries. Great looking guy to have for your garden, mostly on a hanging over a wall or like in a pot or something. Vinca major, our big leaf periwinkle down here in Orange County. So I hope you like that video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.